Ciao YouTube. So we have here airsoft guns, no? Airsoft assault rifle. Dalawa gini, mga PTW gini guys. And then ang gagawin natin dito, since wala tayong tinatawag na pang chrono. Yung chrono, yun ang magmi-measure ng EPS, yung frame per second, o yung speed ng bullet, EPS. So wala tayong pang ganon. It's some kind of electronic gadgets that measure the speed or the velocity of the bullet, or measure the velocity, or other than that, speed of the bullet travel per second, no? So wala tayo noon. So ang gagawin natin, meron tayong dalawang coke dyan, dalawang coke. Yan ang gagamitin natin as if na pangsukat ng EPS. So ang legal dito sa Ireland is 1 joule. 1 joule, that is around 280 EPS, no? And then pag mga ganyan, 1 joule, ibig sabihin pagka 1 joule lang siya, hindi niya kayang butasin ang puwitan ng coke or whatever. If you have beer, cano beer, coke, or Pepsi or whatever, it's the same thing. Pagka 1 joule, hindi niya kayang butasin ito. Pagka 1 joule lang ang EPS. So ang advantage kasi ng mga PTW guys, ito is meron siyang cylinder na pwede mo siyang i-downgrade, so or i-upgrade, depende po sa rule ng bansa kung saan kayo naglalaro ng airsoft. So titingnan natin at ikukumpara natin kung gaano ba kalakas yung 1 joule, or yung 1 joule ba is kaya niyang butasin yung puwitan ng as I said, yung coke. So gagawin natin ngayon yan. So mahirap ang posisyon natin dito dahil yung kanyang is maiksi lang. So ito yung gagawin natin, itatapat natin tong canned coke, at dito natin tatamaan sa puwit yung kanyang tirahin natin dito again to determine about the EPS of your airsoft gun. If it is 1 joule, there will be no bullet holes here. If it is 1 joule under, once you target this thing here, the bottom of the coke can, there will be no holes if it is 1 joule only. So now this is like kind of i-adjust natin to. So ang ating ilalagay dito is yung kanyang 1 joule na cylinder. 1 joule na cylinder. At saka hindi ko rin alam kung 1 joule ba ito dahil nga na-mention ko nga na wala tayong pang sukat or yung pang chrono, no? So ito lang yung inano natin yung kanyang coke kung paano siya malaman na 1 joule nga talaga yung ano lakas ng ano, no? So dito natin patatamaan ito na yung barrel. So paputukin na natin to. Again, pagka 1 joule, hindi it will not under 1 joule, it will not create holes here. Okay, so this is how you determine EPS on your gun. Like, paputukin na natin. Okay, see that? So hindi po siya nabutas, no? There is no deep penetration on the coke. So that means that is 1 joule. Okay? And then kahit na tirahin natin ng 3 to 4, 5 shots, it cannot make bullet holes here because it is only 1 joule. So again, that is, so it didn't penetrate because the cylinder that we have here is only 1 joule. Okay, so that's how you determine your guns even without using chrono. You can determine the speed of your guns if it is 1 joule or not by using only a can of coke or whatever you have, Pepsi can of beer can, whatever, as long as it is can or made of aluminum can. So that is 1 joule. So again guys, that is the legal limit of Ireland airsoft guns. It has to be 1 joule when you play outside on the playing field. So by next month, abangan nyo po ako, kukuha tayo ng video live kasi may dadaluhan tayo na event, game, actually Milsim event sa Belfast this coming May 17 and 18. So sa Belfast po tayo. Is a 2 days game event, 2 days, 24 hours game. So abangan po ninyo ako, and then yeah, adventure po ito, isang adventure game. So see you there in Belfast North or Newry, whatever. Okay, sa bandang UK na po ito, Belfast. Thank you.